Hi friends, today I'm going to unbox and install Atomberg BLDC fan. I have purchased it from Paytm, which has more offers than Amazon and Flipkart. In all these three places Atomberg company is directly selling its fans. It's saying 4080 as MRP, but after cashback, I got it for 2400. So it came in one big box. Let's unbox it. Inside this big box, we have two boxes like any other ordinary fan. So the first one is 3 leaves for the fan and the second one is the actual box. Atomberg BLDC fan, which is 28 watts at full speed, far less compared to 75 watts normal ceiling fans. Inside it we have a connecting pipe, then 2 cups for the fan, then one remote control which has a lot of buttons, and 2 AAA batteries for the remote. These will be screws for connecting. At last 5-star motor, which is the middle part of the fan. So this a connector for connecting the fan to the ceiling. And another cover there. Inside that, we have an instruction manual. 1 + 2-year warranty card. We'll register it later for warranty. So let's connect everything. It's like a normal ceiling fan. First, we need to connect the cups to the pipe, then put a wire inside the pipe and connect to the fan, and connect the leaves to the fan. I have skipped the joining part as it is the same as a normal ceiling fan. Let's see how it will work with and without a regulator. Currently, I didn't remove the regulator. The regulator is at full speed. Let's turn on the switch. Now the light is turned on in the fan. Let's turn it on and put it at full speed.
The full speed. So let's try to reduce the speed here and see what happens. So when I am trying to reduce the speed, actually the speed is actually decreasing. It's turned off now from regulator. It's turned off there also. So it will work with the regulator, but for the energy efficient, we need to remove the regulator. So I will show how we can remove this regulator from the switchboard. So when I am if you cannot remove the regulator, just tune it the full speed. So at that time it will be work like without regulator, and adjust the speed using your remote. It will work actually. Yeah, so let's open it up and see how we can fix this one.
Please turn off the main switch before you start. And do not try this on your own without expert knowledge. And tighten the screw of the switchboard. So you can see the regulator has 2 white wires. One is connected to the switch and the other is connected to a wire. So, remove the connections from the regulator and connect that wire directly to the switch. Please don't forget to turn off the main switch before you start. Now I have removed the regulator from the circuit and the fan is directly connected to the switch. So let's fit the board back. So from now on it will work with the remote perfectly and will be more energy efficient. So if you cannot remove the regulator, keep it in full speed position, which is the same as directly connecting. So let's wind up today's video. I have covered most of the setup part in today's video. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comments. Please subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye friends.